Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what happens in the market the previous week, what we expect of the market the previous week, and what actually comes to fruition. Today's date is 30th of the month of March 2023, and the analysis I'll be using for today will be what I'll be doing for today will be what I'll be using for the market from the 31st till 4th of the month of April 2025. So, without wasting much of our time, I would like to make it very quick because um Eid al-Mubarak to our Muslim brothers and sisters. We'll find Allah's favor in this month, in the just concluded month of Ramadan. So, we start with our bellwether, which is the dollar index. So, last week I said I'm interested in dollar index going into this shaded area, this yellow shaded area. So when it goes into the shaded area, I'm expecting it to stay below the consequence encroachment of this yellow box, which is the midpoint, the center point of it. So as long as the market price stays below the lower half of the CB, because it's a sell side imbalance and a buy side inefficiency. So as long as the market price stays below the lower part of it, then I'll be interested in this level and possible movement into this level here. So as long as the market price stays below 105 big figure, which is this, then I'm still interested in the market price revisiting 103.5, 100 and 103 big figure. So the low hanging fruit I will be watching for the coming week, as long as the market price stays below that, as long as the market stays below the consequence encroachment of the daily CB. So I'll be watching 103 big figure. As long as 105 big figure remains a resistance to the price. So that is that on dollar index. So to our GBP USD cable. On cable last week, I was expecting 1.29119 to serve as a support to the price, to the market price. To serve as a support to the market price, I will take us into 1.3483. So 3483. So I'm still interested in this eye here, 3483. So I'm still interested in this high. I'm expecting this high to be taken. So the market price has not taken out to this low. So the coming week I'll be interested in that, and the market price, is it gonna take out this high, or is gonna take out this low? So the coming week I'll be more interested in taking the previous high. So as long as 1.29,000 holds the price to the upside, then I'll be going for 1.3483. So why this adds? So on the cable, I'll be expecting 1.29,000 to remain a support to the price, and we should be able to see 1.30,483. So then we go to our fiber. I don't want it to be long, to be lengthy. So Euro USD is our fiber. last week I was expecting 1.07500 to be a support, to serve as a support to the price, and the market price has repaired from there. And I was expecting if the market price could deliver 1.10,000. So that means I'll be sticking to that same bias this week. I'll be sticking to that as long as the market price finds its way above 1.07 thousand. So as long as the market price stays above 1.07 thousand, I will be going for 1.10 thousand. I'm interested in that until 1.07 thousand is taken. That means I'll be sticking to the previous week's buyers as well. Then to S&P 500. Last week I was interested in 5716.50. 5716.50. So so the level 5716.50 has been taken, and the market price went as far as what I have been expecting the previous week. I was expecting the market price visiting 5400 as out of 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So the market price is gravitating towards 5400, but the lowest hanging fruit here, is this low. So I'll be watching how the market price will react to 5500. So the lowest hanging fruit I'll be going for is 5500. Then if you see a continuous drop, then we'll be going for 5400. So still on track. US 30, which is the Dow futures. In that futures last week, I was watching if the market price could deliver 41,500. So 41,500, and also the previous week, 2 weeks ago, I was interested in the market price delivering 40,000. So 41,500 was visited. 41,500 was visited and was taken. So the my point of interest and where I'll be making my decision on this present price action will be 41,100 or 41,200. So 41,250. So if the market price could stay in the upper half of this shaded area, that is why I have all these things on my chart. So it's just a way of me communicating with my chart. So as long as the market price stays above this, if the market price stays above this, then I'll be interested in the market price going back into this volume imbalance here, around 42,300 or thereabouts. So I will be determined going for 42 when 41 has been taken. So I'll be watching what the market price will do around 41,000. that will take us into 42,000 and that futures. So on Nasdaq last week I was interested in 20,000 serving as a resistance to the market price that will give us into 19,000 and 18,800. So 18,800 on its way, because 19,000 has been taken no 18,000 on its way. 19,000, I can't say it has been taken because the market price has not gotten there, but is very 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 close. So this low here will be like a threat. So the low of that candle comes at 19,111. So, and as long as the market price stays below 20,000 on this, then I'll be going for this low. So in other words, I'll still be interested in 19,000 and 18,800 the coming week. So on gold last week I was interested in gold delivering more than more than 3,000. So I was interested in market. I was expecting 3,000 to serve as a support, and the market price should be able to give us 3,100. So the highest market price has been was 3086.76. 30 that is 3,086. So 33,100 short of some pips. So that means I'll be interested in 3,100. I'll be sticking to the previous week's buyers. Then to the last but not the least, the BTC. I said on the upside I'll be interested in 88,000, and on the downside I'll be interested in 80,000. Both level has been traded towards, but 80,000 is yet to be taken, but 88,000 has been punched. So we saw 88,000 traded to on Monday and on Tuesday. So 88,000 has been taken. So the next thing is what? 80,000. So the lowest hanging fruit is 80,000, and if you could see a movement down into 70, the consequent encroachment of this will fall around 78. Yes, 78,000. So I'm interested in 80,000 and 78,000. So I think that will be all for now. Thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being part of the family. We really love and appreciate you all. So a quick disclaimer before I leave. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Trading the forex market comes with some risk, which you need to have and know for yourself. So the fact that I put my money behind it doesn't mean you should do the same thing. I trade the market price with close to a decade's experience. So you can't just wake up a day and become a trader in 3 months. So don't fool yourself. So thank you, and thank you for being part of the family. We really love and appreciate you all. Have and know your risk tolerance before going into the market. Everything in this video is for educational purpose and educational purpose alone. It is never a trade advice, and the main reason why I don't do signal services. So thank you. Bye for now. Really love and appreciate you.